In the realm of family law in the United Kingdom, the term decree absolute holds significant importance. If you've ever wondered what a decree absolute looks like and what it signifies in the context of divorce proceedings, this comprehensive guide will provide you with a detailed understanding. We'll explore the purpose of a decree absolute, its appearance and the legal process surrounding it. What is a decree absolute? A decree absolute is the legal document that marks the final step in the divorce process in the UK. It officially ends a marriage and dissolves the legal bonds between spouses, allowing them to remarry if they choose to do so. However, before delving into what a decree absolute looks like, it's essential to understand its significance and the steps leading up to it. The divorce process in the UK. In the UK, divorce typically involves several stages, with the decree absolute being the final one. Here is an overview of the process. 1. Filing for divorce. The divorce process begins when one spouse files a divorce petition with the court, citing the grounds for divorce. 2. Decree nisi. After the court reviews the petition and both parties agree to the divorce, they issue a decree nisi. This is a conditional order stating that the court sees no reason to deny the divorce, but the marriage is not yet formally dissolved. 3. Waiting period. There is a mandatory waiting period of at least 6 weeks between the decree nisi and the decree absolute. During this time, financial matters and arrangements for children are typically finalized. 4. Applying for decree absolute. After the waiting period, either spouse can apply for the decree absolute. This application officially ends the marriage. What does a decree absolute look like? A decree absolute is a legal document issued by the court, and its appearance is straightforward and formal. It typically includes the following elements. First, at the top of the decree absolute, you will find the court heading, which includes the name of the court that issued the decree. Then it will clearly state that it is a decree absolute and will include a unique case number to identify the divorce proceedings. Next, the full names of both parties involved in the divorce will be listed. This includes the petitioner, who is the spouse that initiated the divorce, and the respondent, the other spouse. The decree absolute will also mention the date when the decree nisi was pronounced by the court. Most importantly, it will have the date when the decree absolute is issued, signifying the official end of the marriage. The document contains legal language and statements affirming that the marriage between the parties is dissolved. Finally, as a court order, it will bear the signature of the judge who issued it and feature the official court seal to authenticate its validity. Why is the decree absolute important? The decree absolute holds immense significance because it marks the finality of a divorce. Here are some reasons why it's crucial. Firstly, once you have a decree absolute, you are free to remarry if you wish to do so. It also allows parties to divorce to finalize financial arrangements such as property division and spousal maintenance. Additionally, it officially ends the legal marriage and both parties regain their legal single status. For many, the decree absolute brings emotional closure to the divorce process, allowing them to move forward with their lives. How to obtain a decree absolute? To obtain a decree absolute, you need to follow these steps. First, you must wait for at least 6 weeks and 1 day after the decree nisi is pronounced before applying for the decree absolute. During this period, you can address any outstanding financial or childcare issues. Next, you will need to complete a specific application form for the decree absolute. This form is typically available on the website of the UK Government's Court Service. Once you've filled out the application form, you need to submit it to the court where your divorce proceedings are taking place. You may need to pay a fee for the application. Finally, after the court processes your application, they will issue the decree absolute. It will be sent to you or your solicitor. To summarize, a decree absolute is a crucial legal document that marks the end of a marriage in the UK. While its appearance is formal and straightforward, its significance cannot be overstated. It provides individuals with the legal freedom to remarry, finalises financial matters, and signifies the closure of a chapter in their lives. Understanding the decree absolute and the process surrounding it is essential for anyone going through a divorce in the UK. In conclusion, if you need expert advice on divorce and children matters, Stephanie Hydra, a family barrister, is here to help. Visit her website at www.theladybarrister.co.uk for more information.